Hello guys, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So ito yung reading natin for Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Gemini. Take only what resonates. For those of you na hindi pa nakaka-subscribe sa ating channel, pahit na lang ng subscribe button, notification bell. Ma-appreciate ko lahat ng likes, comments, and shares. If you want, pwede kang magpa-personal reading kay Jing Tarot Reader. I-search mo na lang siya sa uh, i-search mo lang siya sa Facebook. Friend ko yun guys, hindi ako yun ha. Hindi ako nagpa-personal reading. Kung magpa-personal reading ako, i-announce ko na lang sa aking TikTok. Paki-subscribe na lang ako doon. Or paki-follow. Ayan, Unicorn Princess Tarot. Okay. Mag-shuffle na lang ako ng isa tapos simulan na natin. This is for Geminis. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Gemini. Paki-check na lang yung natal chart mo. Okay, Gemini. Let's start. For Gemini, please. For Gemini, please. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Geminis. Okay. Nine of Arrows. The Green Woman. And the World Tree. Bottom of the deck, you do have here the King of Vessels. Ayos lang ako ng upo, guys. Okay, Gemini. I can say na masyadong nandun yung dedication mo sa mga bagay na ginagawa mo ngayon. With the World Tree, you feel complete or you feel like okay ka naman. Meron ka naman ng mga bagay na kailangan mo. You are a very loving person with the King of Vessels. And I feel like wala ka nang kumbaga wala ka nang hinahanap muna sa ngayon. You are currently feeling na marami kang responsibilidad at kailangan mong gampanan with regards to your home. Kung may mga anak ka, so nandun yung focus mo sa children. And you feel secured. Okay? Pero may nakikita tayong big change pagdating sa iyong spiritual na paniniwala or maybe belief. Big change with your belief, no? With your subconscious mind or usaping spiritual. Some of you I don't know, you're finding your closure, like maybe I don't know. Pwedeng may mga natututunan ka ngayon spiritually. Tell me more for Gemini, please. You do have your Four of Vessels, Seven of Bows, and the Eight of Arrows. Wait lang, guys. Okay, sorry about that. Anyway, meron ka ditong Four of Vessels, Seven of Bows, and Eight of Arrows. I feel like some of you hindi ka happy, although okay, you feel okay naman, pero medyo nahihirapan ka. You want to clear something ngayon sa buhay mo. You do have your balance. Sa totoo lang, itong reading na ito, nagsimula siya sa maayos, but because maybe yung iba sa inyo may mga question ka sa sarili mo na parang hindi mo makuha yung sagot sa kung ano yung meron ka ngayon. Clarify the Four of Vessels. You do have your Ace of Arrows. Yan, yung iba sa inyo may question about sa buhay mo ngayon. Like, may mga iniisip ka. Some of you may kinalaman sa love or relationship, yung question na yon. You want some kind of rebirth, or yung iba you want to start all over again. Parang ganon. Gusto mong magsimula ulit. What do we have here for Gemini? Tell me more pagdating sa love. King of Vessel. Ten of Arrows. I feel like someone na talagang nagmamahal sa'yo is teaching you a lesson. May mga itinuturo siya ngayon sa'yo. Tell me about this. You do have here the Ace of Vessels. This is something new. Nakita natin yung pagmamahal sa'yo ng person na ito. But with the King of Stones, hinahayaan ka lang niya sa kung ano yung gusto mo. But this person wants you to listen. Gusto niyang makinig ka. Parang ganon. Sa kung ano yung sinasabi niya or gusto niyang sabihin. Basta bahala ka na. Basta I want you to listen. Parang ganon. Six of Arrows is here. So, some of you may mga pagbabago kang nararanasan ngayon. And you don't know what to do about this. What will happen in the near future for Geminis, please? In the near future, messages for Gemini in the near future, please. For Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Gemini. Bottom of the deck, you do have here the Queen of Bows. The Great Bear is here. King of Arrows. The Moon and Water and Queen of Vessel. I'm seeing someone. I'm seeing some kind of attack. Or may papasok sa buhay mo in the near future na parang hindi mo to in-expect, but it's like ready or not, this person is coming. Paparating itong taong ito. If you're single, then I can see a possibility of a relationship. Kung ikaw ay nasa kasalukuyang relationship, this person is going to help you heal from the past wounds na meron ka. I'm seeing a guide in the near future sa'yo. Some kind of like a partner na parang maybe a friend na dadating sa buhay mo. Especially Gemini. Ang mga susunod, I mean actually ngayon, it's going to May 2024. Medyo more on friends talaga ang nakikita nating focus mo. There's a lot of transition, a lot of new friends, and old friends coming back to help you heal sa kung ano man yung mga nanakit sa'yo in the past. Mga trauma, you know. And although hindi mo alam kung ano yung silbi nitong taong ito, but there's a person who's going to enter in your life to help you. And I can see beautiful partnership or connection or relationship para sa iba or friendship para sa iba. Para tulungan kang mag-heal sa mga past traumas mo. Anyway, thank you for watching, guys. I love you all. Feel free to like and subscribe to our channel, Unicorn Princess Tarot, Madam P TV, Virgo Philippines, Tapit Hapo TV, Water Sign Philippines, Madam P Vlogs, Libra Philippines. I love you all. Thank you for watching and bye-bye.